A quick one. Belwet Mind Clinic began talking about mental health and going live in 2021. And to those who are watching us now, you would agree with me that something is different in today's video. It's brighter, it's sharper. All right, I'm going to tell you why. Belwet Mind Clinic decided that let's gift ourselves. It's time to take it a step further. Moreover, what is worth doing is worth doing well. And for us to achieve our vision to being the most preferred and most trusted mind clinic in Africa by 2030, then it's not only in the services we provide, it's not only in the outstanding services we provide, but also the video quality when we talk about mental health. Okay, so let's do the unboxing together. I think I've unboxed some anyway. The first thing Mind Clinic gifted herself was Camon 40 Premier, and that's actually the phone that we are currently using to capture this video. And then she went ahead. Okay, let's remove this, not to cause some form of obstruction. And then with this LED light, the Pro LED 600. The Pro LED 600. Okay, the Pro LED, we bought the Pro LED 600 and the Pro LED 800. Currently, the Pro LED 800 is what we are using to capture today's video. Going forward, we'll be making use of both Pro LED 800 and Pro LED 600. Okay, so we already unboxed Pro LED 800. That's what we are currently using. Let's do the unboxing of Pro LED 600 together. I can imagine the behind the scene. I also did some when my clinic got them for herself. Okay. I'll be like bicycle. You see this? I don't understand. It used to. I think I need to learn it. Over time, I will get better. Okay. So we decided to go with white executive chair. Don't forget, it's a mind clinic. It's to exude peace, tranquility, and calmness. So we're unboxing the Pro LED 600. We already unboxed the Pro LED 800 earlier. Have I removed? Okay, it has been removed. Let me cross check again. Okay, it has been removed. This is what I'm referring. Oh, the battery is currently being charged. It's currently being charged, so I will not be able to turn it on. But I'll see. Oh, sorry. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay. Okay, this is the charger. Oh, beautiful. So I think we could do some connection. And the cable is really, really long. Okay. So we could power it. Now these are the LED to the tripod stand. Okay. Okay, beautiful. So we can control the brightness. Now just imagine. Good. I don't know how the video is at the moment, but I can tell that the video is so breathtaking. Yeah. And this is the remote. This is the remote for in controlling. And so join me in saying congratulations to Belwet Mind Clinic. Congratulations to us. Congratulations to our fans. Congratulations to the world of mental health. And to those who have been trusting our video quality all along, even though it has not been this bright. We want to say thank you. Going forward, our video quality is going to be outstanding, just like the services we provide at Belwet Mind Clinic. We offer now. What is Belwet Mind Clinic? What is Belwet Mind Clinic? Belwet Mind Clinic is a mental health hybrid organization. We offer virtual and offline therapeutic services. To know about our therapeutic services, both psychological and psychiatric services, please check out our website www.belwetmindclinic.com. There you're going to get to read everything you need to know about us and how to reach out to us. Let's not forget, we have a success record of over 80% from clients who have enjoyed our services across 5 continents. All right, if you watched the video this far, should I say there's a gift for you? Yes, there's a gift for you, and that gift will be London soon. All right, okay, enjoy and bye for now. And then the rolling sets. It has to be mental health. And if it has to be mental health, it has to be outstanding. If it has to be outstanding, it has to be Belwet's Mind Clinic. Belwet's Mind Clinic, your shelter of love, healing, and comfort. Bye for now.
Hello, I appreciate your presence here. Please don't forget to click the subscription button before you leave. Thank you.